Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a 30-yard circle in cricket. First, gather your essential tools, including a long measuring tape, at least 30 yards in length, and several brightly colored markers or cones. Make sure the cricket pitch is clear of any obstructions and ready for accurate marking. This foundational step ensures you have everything needed to precisely define the fielding restriction area. Next, accurately measure the 30-yard radius. Position one end of your measuring tape at the center stump of the wicket. Carefully extend the tape exactly 30 yards out from this central point. Have a helper hold the tape taut as you walk around, marking points at regular intervals. Aim for at least 8 to 10 distinct marks to ensure a smooth, even curve. Now it's time to connect your marked points to form the complete circle. You can use a long piece of string, held taut between 2 points, or a chalk line applicator for greater precision. Carefully draw a continuous arc, ensuring it passes through all your previously placed markers. Take your time to create a smooth, even curve, forming the distinct 30-yard fielding restriction area. Finally, perform a thorough check of your newly marked 30-yard circle. Walk around the entire perimeter, inspecting for any inconsistencies, straight edges, or gaps in the curve. Ensure all your markers or the chalk line are clearly visible to all players and umpires. Regular maintenance, such as remarking the circle before each match, will keep it distinct and fair for everyone involved in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.